Hey guys, it's your girl Pink G Kiki back at it again with a little Jeep vlog. I started off my Valentine's Day weekend with a little spa treatment. I got a facial and everything. And guess how my esthetician showed up? In a pink Jeep. Isn't this Jeep so beautiful? You gotta tell your estheticians to pull up like this because this is the only way they should be pulling up. Okay? So the next day, I decided to go wash my car because, yeah, let me show you. So I haven't washed my car in about, I would say 2 months. I know it hasn't been washed in a long time because I have this embarrassing Christmas decorations on it. I was supposed to do a Christmas video, but I end up not even doing it because I was so frustrated. So we gotta de-Christmasify this Jeep because at this point it's February and I should have probably did the Valentine's decoration, but that didn't happen. Oh well. And look at this. What the heck is going on here? Where's my bolts? Okay, come on now. What is this? What is going on? Anyway, this is so beautiful. I'm like, come on. This is, whew. I fall in love every single time because when it gets clean, I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, this is it. This is it. This is the reason. Ugh. I'm thinking about changing this freaking little monster thing to Pink G Kiki. What do you guys think? I don't know. So then I get a little, driver's lesson with my brother because he still does not know how to drive. Oh my God, look at him. He's complaining about rolling down the windows. Don't you know I hate that too? Now he's telling me all the places he wants to drive in my car. Like, what the heck? You don't get to make demands, little man. Okay? Calm down. And after this, I gotta teach him how to, pump the gas because, these kids don't know how to pump gas these days. I'm just kidding. I didn't know how to pump gas at first either. But, gotta teach them how to be a gentleman, You're always gonna have to pump the gas for the women. Come on, men. Pump the gas for your women. Why am I sounding like this? Anyway, look at this. Why is gas still so much? What the heck is going on? So then we end up going to Petco and he's doing his little happy dance because I guess he had a successful drive today. So anyway, that's the end of this Jeep Girl vlog. Catch me in my next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.